Complex North AOC IMPHAL LEIBA R.K Sanatombi College Education da Inauguration Cum Orientation Program B.Ed First Semester 2025-27 Pangthokhre. Thoromaduda School of Mathematical and Physical Science Manipur University ki Dean Professor Sumitra Fanjawbam R.K Sanatombi Devi Educational Institute ki Vice Chairman T ASHA Amadi R.K Sanatombi Devi College of Education ki Principal Dr. T.S. Premabati Nachingbana Sarukyaki. Thorom Gamari Lainana Professor Sumitra Fanjawbam na Lamdam Masigi Naha Oiriba Mahiroi Singi Wakalda Apaba Pautak Piba Mahi Tambakak Natana Makoina Naha Oiriba Mahiroi Sing Aduna Masagi Tungi Punsida Amadi Marebaki the Hotnaba Matamda Changba Gun Singadu Haidiba Mahiroi Sing Aduna Takpiba Amadi Gun Singadu Telhanaba Hotna Dringai Mangoinana Oza Oigadoriba Singda Lehanbegi Tangai Fadaba Lakliba Asi B.Ed Tampam Singi Madungda Kwaidegi Chauba Institute Ama Oiriba R.K Sanatombina Oza Winingba Mahiroi Singda Takpidi Haina Fongdorakli.
So he slowly developed confidence and then he shifted over to Saraswati Coaching Institute that coaches students for the pre-medical course entrance exam and the engineering exams. So he stayed there for many years also, and in that process he learned this online courses and all that he did, and finally he applied for a job abroad in London, UK, and he got that position. So he stayed there. He's now settled there in UK and with his family, and he wrote back a letter to me thanking me that just for that one advice to do PGDCA, he was able to get on further and further into life, and he's now in US, and he tells me to tell the students, and I always feel proud to say this, that our students are no less to anybody outside. And he says that once you go out and you work hard and you persevere and you have faith and hope, no one can beat you, and that is what happened to him. So that is what I want to say to you all also. You may have studied here throughout. Now the school positions are very much better than what it used to be in earlier years in our time, in the times of my students. In the past 10 years or so, I think our school education has become so developed and at par with the national level.